And hold that thought. We need to take a quick
Sure,
break, but I have
sure.
a question, and the question is, do you have to have an attorney to do a will? So I want to continue that conversation.
Absolutely.
Let's take a break real quick. Also, Mary, we know you're holding, so stay right there. A lot of great calls tonight. We appreciate them all. Want to get the rest as well, so we'll be right back after this. Wonderful. Let's turn now to Angie from Talladega. Angie, we are here to help you as well this evening. Please go right ahead with your question.
Thank you. Good evening. Appreciate you taking my call. I am the only surviving member of my immediate family, and I am trying to find out the steps that I need to do, like step 1, 2, 3, to do a will and possibly leave the items that I want to go to specific people, if they're supposed to be in the will, et cetera, et cetera. Could you help me out?
That's a great question. Just the steps to start a will.
Absolutely. Thank you for the call because we need to talk about that.
Yes.
So in the state of Alabama, there are a few requirements to make a will. 1, you have to be 18 or older. 2, you have to be of sound mind, meaning you haven't been found incapacitated or incompetent. 3, not under duress from anyone forcing you to make the will. The will has to be written, and that can be handwritten, but generally typed. And it has to be witnessed by 2 disinterested persons. If you have those things, you have a will. You can take it a step further and have that will have it's self-proving, and there's just an extra step with a notary. And if you can have that will being a self-proving will, then the witnesses of the will would never have to go to court to testify. So you can really think about what you would like to do. Call an attorney first, because it can get confusing and it can get complicated, but it doesn't have to be. The steps are simple. Just think about what you want, what property you have and who you want it to go to, and any of those details. Then an attorney like myself or Birmingham Volunteer Lawyer Program, there's a lot of great attorneys who could help out. But those are the general steps.
Ross, Angie could literally just take a piece of paper and write out, I want my gold necklace to go to this person, that person, and bring that to your office. And you could sit down with her, step 1, go over that and start constructing that will. She just wrote it out on a piece of paper for you, couldn't you?
Absolutely.
Do you need a lawyer for a will, Ross?
It's a 2-part answer. No, you do not need a lawyer to make a will, but should you have one, yes.
Yeah,
it makes
I agree.
it easier.
What about these things I see on the internet and on TV where you call these companies and they send you the paperwork to do your own will? What do you think about those?
It's dangerous. It's dangerous. There's something important about being present with there's something legally important about being present with signing a will. You can't do it online, and it needs to be done in person, but a bot or a computer program is not going to be able to understand the complexities and conform with the laws of the state of Alabama to make sure that your will does